Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove a location from Google Maps permanently. So let's get right into it. Now, you can very easily do this for your own locations. You just have to find them and edit them yourself, and you can show them either as permanently closed, or you can just fully delete them without any changes and just wipe them from Google Maps. You can contact Google support and they will help you in actually doing so if you're having any trouble, but I'm pretty sure you can just go and edit them yourself and delete them yourself. Now, if it's not your location and you still want to suggest that it's removed because it's no longer relevant, you can easily find the location. For example, I'll just go to Harlem Tavern, select it, and there we go. Now we are here. Now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to locate the suggest and edit button over here. You're going to click on that, and as you can see, you can suggest an edit. For example, for closed, you can click on it and you can mark it as completely shut down or permanently closed down. Now I'm not sure where that edit is. If we go here, you can go through the categories and everything, which you can set. You can also change the location and everything, but I'm not really sure where the this business is permanently closed is. As you can see, oh, there we go, the operating status. You can suggest the edit for it to be permanently closed. This might not be edited, however, you can suggest an edit, and that's pretty much the extent of your power that you have. And that's all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.